Good afternoon, students. This is Kiran Sir's voice. Actually, today we are going to deal lesson number 4, extreme weather. Before starting this lesson, you have to write the whole difficult words in your notebook because when you writing the difficult words, you can easily understand what is the meaning of that words. And in a morning session, sir sent a video regarding the extreme weather. So watch again carefully. You have to understand that what type of weather in the world. Okay, now we are discussing the lesson number 4, extreme weather. Everyone have the idea what is mean by extreme. Extreme यानी बहुत ज़्यादा. Weather, everyone have the idea about the weather. In the whole world there are different varieties of the weather. So that's why in India also having the 3 season: rainy season, winter season and summer season. But on the world, when you're discussing about the world map or world, there are having some countries there only 2 seasons. Okay, there are winter season and summer season. So this is the geographical things when you're discussing the weather. And if you want to detail idea about the weather, you have to go through the geographical terms also. So students, let's start the lesson. Weather. The weather, there are two weather. This is the weather, and weather, first weather is the if. This is the meaning of if. Whether the weather be fine or whether the weather be not. अगर वेदर फाइन भी रहता है या वेदर फाइन नहीं भी रहता है. वेदर द वेदर बी कोल्ड और वेदर द वेदर बी हॉट. कहीं पर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड रहती है तो कहीं पर बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट रहता है. वी विल वेदर द वेदर, वॉट एवर द वेदर. जो भी कुछ वेदर रहता है, अच्छा रहे या बुरा रहे, कोल्ड रहे या हॉट रहे, वो हमें बेयर करना पड़ेगा. वेदर वी लाइक इट और नॉट. अगर वो वेदर हमें पसंद है या नहीं है, फिर भी वो हमें बेयर करना पड़ेगा. दिस आर द वेरी गुड लाइन्स रिगार्डिंग द वेदर. अगर आप ज़्यादा ठंड के एरिया में रहते हो तो भी आपको बेयर करना पड़ेगा. ज़्यादा गर्मी के मौसम एरिया में रहते हो तो भी आपको सहन करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज़ द वेदर इज़ वेदर. सो वेदर वी लाइक इट और नॉट, हमें वो पसंद हो या ना हो, बेयर तो करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द गुड लाइन्स रिटन बाय द ऑथर. ओके, ईच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लैनेट हैज इट्स ओन साइकिल एंड वेरिएशन इन टेम्परेचर, प्रेसिपिटेशन, ड्राइनेस, heat and cold that constitute the weather in that area. So when we are discussing about the weather, there are so many aspects. There are every planets having the own cycle and variations in temperature. Heat हर जगह पर सेम नहीं है. These are the variation. Precipitation, this is the same also. We can say that this is the rain. There are no same in the word precipitation. Dryness, we discuss about the desert area. Heat and cold, sun and light, sunlight or ice, we can say that that constitute the weather in that area. So according to that, when we are discussing the first paragraph, in that first paragraph we are discussing about the variation of temperature, precipitation, dryness, heat and cold. Because in the world not having the same temperature, same weather in a particular area, there are some variations आप दक्षिण अफ्रीका जाओ, अमेरिका जाओ, यूरोप जाओ, एशिया जाओ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाओ या अंटार्कटिका जाओ, कहीं पर भी जाओ, देर आर अ वेराइटीज ऑफ द दिस थिंग्स. There are not same things in the world in a two places, two countries or continents. Okay, in some places the four seasons are easy to identify, which in other there is a sudden jump from winter to summer or little variation throughout the year. When we are discussing about the weather condition, in that weather condition there are some seasons, change seasons, some having the four seasons. There are some sudden changes, sudden jump, and there are only two seasons, winter to summer, and there are variations throughout the year. These are the condition of the world, not same area in the world. There are some varieties, and this is the world, not same area in the world. There are destinations that have reliably consistent weather and other where the weather is changeable, and these are the changeable. This is the good quality of the weather because हर जगह पर मौसम अलग अलग रहता है. दिस इज द गिविंग द नेम ऑफ चेंजेबल. ह्यूमन हैव टू कंटेंड विथ हीट, कोल्ड, rain, wind, storm, fog, humidity and more. So that's why the author said that human have to contained means satisfied. उन्हें satisfy मानना पड़ेगा humans को because they bear the heat, cold, rain, wind, storm, fog and humidity and many more. These are the some geographical terms of the weather. There are some condition. If you're talking about the London area, there are some having some fog. When you're talking about the ending of the summer season and starting of the rainy season, that time also wind and storm appearing. In summer season having a very heat, in winter season having a very hot, very cold, and in rainy season having the rain. So these are the some geographical terms we have to bear here, and this is the bearable for the human personality, human peoples, because so many animals adjust their life according to the heat, cold or rain or wind, fog or humidity and many more. Okay, we have developed many ways of protecting and shielding ourselves from the weather. So this is the work of the human. जहाँ पर भी रहता है वो अपने खुद को रहने के लिए उस तरीके का मौसम खुद को सील्ड करता है या डेवलप करता है. एंड द कंडीशन इट क्रिएट्स, जो भी कंडीशन क्रिएट्स होती है उसको बेयर करने के लिए खुद को डेवलप करता है. अम्ब्रेलाज, सनस्क्रीन्स, एयर कंडीशनिंग, fans, heater, thermal clothing, desalination plants and so many more. So these are the some things using the people. If there is a more rain, using umbrella. If there is a more heat, using the sunscreens or sun guards there. Air conditioning, fans, heaters using the in a winter season, and thermal clothing, these are the using in the winter season. So that's why this is the development of the people, where when we are discussing about the weather, जहाँ जहाँ weather condition जैसी हो, according to that main bear the all things. Invention means that people can explore and live comfortably on even the more hostile area of the earth. Hostile, opposite area. If there is a man living in a high place, very high place, after that he bear there according to the atmosphere, and the man develop the so many things according to the weather or atmosphere and living there comfortably. If on the there is a more hostile area in the of the world, अगर वहाँ पर अपोजिट एरिया है, इंसान को जाने के लिए या जीने के लिए भी जो रास्ते नहीं है, वह लाइफ नहीं है, वहाँ भी इंसान जाकर आया है. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पीपल. ओके. हाउएवर डिस्पाइट द इननमरेबल एडवांस इन टेक्नोलॉजी, बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी, बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में, अननमरेबल बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर्स में, बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी ह्यूमन काइंड ने डेवलप किया है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट टेक्नोलॉजी ही कैन लिव देयर. द वेदर एंड एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर स्टिल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स and have a drastic impact on mankind. Drastic, forceful or extreme. After using the technology, टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करने के बावजूद भी वेदर, नेचर इज नेचर, उसको इंटरफेयर कोई नहीं कर सकता. अगर करता है तो नेचर विल पनिश यू. इफ देयर इज अ एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर स्टिल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्माहट का मौसम भी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करता है. एंड हैव अ ड्रास्टिक इम्पैक्ट ऑन मैनकाइंड, और इंसान पर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट हाई टेम्परेचर या हाई कोल्ड या हाई रेन की वजह से उस इंसान को बेयर करना पड़ता है. टिल दैट द पीपल यूजिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डेवलपिंग themselves. Okay students, I hope that till here you can understand properly, and this is the lesson number 4, extreme weather. And this weather, this is the geographical terms, so you have knowledge about the geographical terms. So that's why I hope that you understand the lesson. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.